13.1 question number 8 is saying that a die is thrown 3 times. Then one event is 4 appears on the third toss. And F event is that 6 and 5 have appeared on the first 2 tosses. Okay, so first in this event, and I think the question is to find probability of E by F. Probability of E after F. Okay, so first we need to see the sample space. So whenever you throw a die 3 times, then exhaustive cases means the total possible outcomes will be 6 into 6 into 6. Every time the die will have 6 options, then second also 6 options, third also. So total 216 outcomes are there. Obviously we are not going to list all those outcomes. It will become a tedious job for us. So we will just focus on the events. First event was that 4 is going to appear on the third die. So for 4 appearing on the third die, we have total 36 cases. How? These are the cases. This is how it will be like. Fourth entry आपकी 4 होनी है. The first entry could have been 1 1 followed by 4, then 1 2 followed by, तो इसको 1 fix कर लो and बाकी second वाले की entries change करते जाओ. Last तो 4 fix है ही. Okay, that has been said. 4 appears in the third die. Then second go में maybe first वाले में हमारा 2 आए, उसमें फिर बाकी सारे options ले लो. तो 6 cases of this kind, another 6 of this kind, then another 6 with 3, another 6 with 4, I had repeated that, then another 6 with 5, another 6 with 6. So with 1 2 3 4 5 6, again here you'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6 options. So 6 6 are total 36 cases will be there when fourth wali entry hum fix kar de, and first two mein we'll still have 6 into 6 36 options. Okay, so agar this is listing. If you don't want to list, then you can just अपना counting क्या and combination permutation की knowledge से, if you can guess, you know 6 into 6 36 cases will be there क्योंकि fourth entry fix हो गई थी. Okay, then F event was that 5 and 6 appears. तो अब यहाँ 5 and 6 ये entries fix होगी तो variation सिर्फ third entry में आना है. तो there will be 6 options possible or 6 cases possible. If you want to list, they will be like 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656. These are all your 6 options. Okay. Now, the question is to find probability of E by F, जिसका formula होता है probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. So, probability of E intersection F. First, we need to form this set E intersection F. तो E intersection F क्या हो जाएगा? E ने बोला 4 in the last go, F ने बोला 6 and 5 in the first 2 entries. Okay, so 6 5 4 सब fix हो गई हमारी. There is only one outcome which is going to satisfy this intersection of the two. Okay, now if you're looking for probability, then probability is favorable outcomes, only one favorable upon total outcomes were 216. Then probability of F will be favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Although ये cancel होना चाहिए for probability, अभी मैंने नहीं किया है because this is not a final answer. We were actually interested in probability of E upon F, which is probability of the intersection upon probability of F, and ऐसा करके यहाँ cancelling हो जाएगी आपकी same denominator की वजह से. Okay, we can also write this formula as cardinal number of this set upon cardinal number of this. हमने पढ़ा था आगे. Okay, but then जब आप कर रहे हो अपना question present बेटा, it is better you, क्योंकि probability का question है तो आप probability ही mention करो. Set theory तो अभी है नहीं. ठीक है, we are making use of set theory here, but we will present it as probability only. Okay, so we'll write this as probability. So your 216 got cancelled to give you probability as 1 by 6. Now 12th problem, children. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. Then if the family has 2 children, then what is the conditional probability that both are girls, given that 2 conditions are given there. Okay, so girls after younger being the first being a girl, and probability of both girls at least one being the girl. Okay, so stepwise karte hain. Okay, first let's consider the sample space. 2 children are born. So if any family has 2 children, then this is how it can go. We can have both girls. I have given the suffix as 1 2, mean the first child is girl, G for girl, B for boy, 1 and 2 first child, second child. Okay, तो ये notation हमने बना लिया ऐसा for presenting. So the sample space, all possible outcomes will be first girl followed by second also child being girl, first being boy, second also being boy, then maybe the first child was girl, second was boy, or first was boy followed by a girl. So these are all possible outcomes. Now we will come to the events. तो पहला हमसे उसने बोला था both are girls. तो both are girls means you have one favorable entry, only one entry in that set. Then condition उसने लगाई थी youngest is a girl. तो youngest means second child is a girl. So ये यहाँ हो रही है G1 G2 में and B1 G2 में. So 2 entries. Second child has to be girl. पहला क्या है? We are not interested. At least one is girl. So at least one is girl. If both are girls, then also means at least one तो girl है ही. Then we will just rule out this outcome, that is B1 B2. बाकी सब में at least one girl है. So there will be 3 entries here. Okay. Now I have cut it short. I have not taken out written the probabilities one by one. सीधे यहीं कर दिया calculation. Okay. So first part of the question was find the probability both are girls given that youngest is a girl. So symbolically हम उसे कैसे लिखेंगे अब जब हमने ऐसे define कर दिए events, probability of A by B, which by formula is probability of the intersection upon probability of condition, that is B. ओके सो इंटरसेक्शन, अब ये इंटरसेक्शन सेट हमें सोचना पड़ेगा ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. तो इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या आ रहा है? G1 G2. ओके सो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? 1 अपॉन टोटल आउटकम्स व 4. सो 1/4 ये होगी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी अपॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. अभी बी के फेवरेबल आउटकम्स देखने पड़ेंगे. there are 2 entries there. Okay, so 2 upon total outcomes for 4. Again your 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so 1/2 is the probability of A by B. Then we were also asked probability that both are girls under the condition at least one is a girl. So probability of A by C, that is okay, which will be the intersection upon C. तो इनका intersection क्या निकल के आएगा A and C का? Again G1 G2 एक entry है. Okay, so it will be 1/4 probability of A intersection C upon probability of C आ रही है 3/4. So the probability is 1/3.